So for the past month, we've been highlighting the reds, the whites, the bubblies in sips and tips. But it's Christmas, even Christmas without the cake and the good Jamaican rum. The good folks from Tortuga are here, and they're going to give us a taste. Regional Commercial Manager Jermaine Robinson with us, and also Brand Manager Janelle Townsend. Jermaine, I'm going to start with you because I'm looking at this table and I'm seeing everything. Talk to me about the Tortuga range, not just cakes.
Right, we're famously known for rum cakes, but our product line extends from rum cakes to rums, to confectionery sauces, and just recently coffee.
Right.
Our company was started by Robert Hamilton back in 1984, and he started with a private label rum, of course, Tortuga rum, and that was so loved by the Caribbean folks that he started to make rum cakes in 1987 from a 4-generational recipe that was almost 100 years old. And from that time on to now, we've been sailing in over 100 cruise ships across the Caribbean, and we're known as the best rum cake in the world.
You have to be over 1 million pounds of cake every year?
Yes, we produce over 1 million pounds. Yes, it's a lot of cake, but people all across the Caribbean love our cake.
Yeah.
We're widely distributed. We're known as a Caribbean company, but recently we have been making forays into other markets.
Talk to me about the coffee, Janelle, because when you hear Tortuga, rum is at the foremost of your head.
Right.
So when you hear coffee, I'm thinking rum coffee?
Yes.
Talk to me about it.
Sure, it's a rum infused coffee. We have 4 different variants now.
Nice.
We have a gold rum coffee, vanilla rum coffee, as well as a coconut rum coffee. And newest to the market is our 100% Blue Mountain coffee.
Oh, and that has rum in it as well?
No, it doesn't.
Not yet.
Not yet.
So what you have here, so they're roasted and ground.
Right.
So you can perk them.
Right.
We don't have the instant ones yet.
No,
No,
we're
not
in
yet.
instant line
Yeah.
yet.
But heading there.
We're heading there. We started with these, and as the consumers inform us what they want and what they like, we respond to
That's
them.
nice, because sometimes people have to flavor the coffee.
Definitely.
And tip a little thing in. So you've already put it in there. A smooth flavor.
Very smooth.
Yeah.
Very aromatic flavors. And trust me, if you were to perk this, the entire room would light up. It's wonderful.
Nice. Before I get to the cakes now, I want to move to the rums.
Sure.
Jermaine, flavored?
Yes.
Flavored rums.
Wow.
Yeah, I want to say that Tortuga rum is the best flavored rum I know.
Right.
I was introduced to Tortuga rum back in 2005, and I've been loving it since. I love my coconut rum.
Yeah.
And I know Jamaicans love coconut rum.
Yeah.
And I can tell you, Tortuga coconut rum and mango rum is the best in the world.
Mango
So we have 9 different variants.
of rum?
Yes.
Yes.
What are they, Janelle?
So we have the light rum, we have the gold rum, we have spice, dark rum, and the flavored rums. We have mango, pineapple, banana, coconut.
Nice Caribbean flavors.
Yes.
What I like about flavored liquor is that so you can have it neat.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You can have it on the rocks. You don't necessarily have to chase it
That's
Correct.
when
correct.
it's flavored.
Correct.
But if you want to chase it with something or make some great cocktails for the holidays, right?
Right. It does. It does.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And it goes well with a rum cake. So if you're having some flavored rum, you could have a slice of cake. So it works well for Jamaicans.
It
We
does.
love rum.
Yes. I think one of the things that's great about Tortuga as well is the packaging. And it comes in different sizes.
Right.
So you're able to kind of, Janelle, drop one in the bag.
Yeah.
When you head in the smaller ones. if
Yeah,
you
we
want
have
a
the
big-
little token sizes, which is the 4 ounce.
Yes.
We have a 16 ounce variant as well, and we have a 32 ounce cake, which is our large cake.
So you can bring the big one and give it to everybody and say, this is for the family,
Share it
and then
up.
you go in the room and cut your little small one.
That's right.
Correct.
So you're doing a promotion.
Right.
I'm told. Talk to me about that.
Sure. So at our major retail outlets, we'll be doing giveaways, premium giveaways. So when patrons purchase either a 16 ounce or a 32 ounce, they get a chance to win, or Tortuga spin the wheel and you get the chance to win premium giveaways, which includes caps, t-shirts, tote bags, and beach bags.
Nice. You
Right.
need a little bit of that when you're on the beach. A little Tortuga. So the promotion's happening when and where? Where
All
do I
right,
find
so
you?
this weekend we'll actually be at Fontana's Customer Appreciation, which will be on Sunday. We'll be doing it at the Fontana Orcharias as well as the Fontana Kingston. We'll also be doing promotions at Progressive Portmore, which is in the Sovereign Village,
Yeah.
and Shoppers Fair Manchester.
Yeah.
So look out for us.
And you're in a lot of, you're in the Progressives, you're in Mega Mart, Tortuga is everywhere. They can find you. Do the flavored rums come in this size as well?
Yes.
Yes, we have 200 mLs and 1 liter flavored
200.
rum.
So you can get, so if you're having a big party,
Definitely,
you can have that.
pick
Or
up
you're
a
just
one,
having
1
some
liter.
friends over.
Right.
You
200
can
ml.
have that.
Right.
That's wonderful. Because do you give us ideas of cocktail mixes that we can do when we come to the promotions?
Yes, we do occasionally, but we like for the consumers to taste it neat so that you can get the true essence of what it tastes like. But we do the cocktail mixes as well.
Over 100 cruise ships sailing the Caribbean. Jermaine speaks to the quality.
Definitely. I mean, we are very big on quality. Just recently in 2016, we commissioned a state-of-the-art factory in Jamaica,
Yeah.
and that factory produces most of our cakes currently. Our processes are very, very timely, and we do have a quality
Control.
department
Yeah.
and control the quality. One of the things that you'll hear visitors to the island and Jamaicans alike say about the cake is it's how refined it is.
Yes.
It's truly a
Right.
premium product.
Yes.
So we don't see ourselves, we don't see any other competition. There are a few people in the market that's trying to do a rum cake. But you know what? We've been doing rum cakes for 34 years.
Very smooth, and the quality never changes. Whether the large one, the smaller ones, whatever they are, once you taste it, you've tasted Tortuga.
Definitely.
So that's wonderful. For people that are watching, because everybody's hosting companies and everybody that want to get these, where do they find you? Is there a number we can call?
Right. You can contact Select Brands. Our contact number is 758-333-78, or you can reach us via our email address, which is getit@selectbrandsja.com.
Boy, I tell you, I'm dying to taste a piece of Tortuga
Let's
cake
get in. Let's
with
get
the
in.
flavored coffee.
Definitely.
That should be just
It's going to be awesome.
heaven.
Yes.
Yeah. Wonderful, guys. Great for the holidays.
Yes, thank
Thanks
you.
for coming.
Thank you.
Regional
much.
Commercial Manager with Tortuga International Holdings, Jermaine Robinson, and Tortuga Brand Manager with Select Brands, Janelle Townsend. That's it for Sips and Tips and Cake. Breathing, inhale and exhale in 10 minutes to your health. That's coming up after the break.